Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to add notes from Patient Xpress web app and check the Commlog entry. Open Patient Xpress on your iOS device and enter your credentials. Click on the patient pop-up will appear. Here we can add notes. First way, you can select the template for notes from the list, alter note content if you wish to, and click on right tick. Note added successfully. Second way, you can type the note in the text area and click on right tick to add the note. Now, let's check in the practice management software. Select the patient for whom you've added the notes. Go to Account module, third one at left side. Now check in the communications log. Scroll down. You can see the entries for the added notes from the template and by manual writing. Thanks for watching.